Wala mo kasabi sa enforcer ha. Shout out. Ay na driver oh. Nama driver ya na deh. Lah, gak lagi suka tuh ya. Mas Winter na. Ano wa? Ano yung magitabat? Ano magitabat? Yotro. Lah, okay,
Number one. Kung pamagdamang, mas dari mga black ladies. Alright, so please prepare group number 6 and group number 7. Balik po sa ano amin. Kung salida sa Widow's War. Candidate number 1. Alright, so I guess right now is all set. First and last practice. Ma'am, naku kayo ang atong kuwan mo. Habang kayo ang atong pizza. How about giving a round of applause to presenter number 5? What na mo pakpak ko? You know, excited sa itong Baltic? this time, let's go back to our raffle draw. Then kung panginan na saan? First, we will be giving 3 more sets of items. Item number 1, Carambola. Item number 14! Congratulations to all who picked hygienic tea. Hygienic tea. Toothbrush. Don't have to believe, you know, hygienic yung kapalaran. Hindi kami muna po kay isip. Alright, hygienic tea. Kasi kung na-expect mo ang rep, sunalan sa airing. Dapat itong sunalan sa airing na pala na for 6, 8, 10, 20, 24. Grabbing airing na. Congratulations, hygienic tea! Item number 14! Wow! Position producer. Hygienic tea, congratulations, you will receive! Ma'am, kanang sipin sa bugabay, ito mo, may murag. Ang sige, expect mo ma'am, hygienic tea. Ma'am, sige, expect mo. Well, imo ka ma'am. Oh, air fryer. Ganun na hygienic na sa air fryer, ma'am. Para less. So, hygienic na. Sige, support your related study. Congratulations, because you will bring home flying towel. Diba? Air fryer sila na daw yung sunod Christmas party. Dapat kami masaya na. Kahit nakuha. Buy one, take one. Diba? You got something from shop? 69, karong 28 na lang. Pero wala yung stress file, ma'am. Kita natin yung original ba naman one? Ang importante, matatapis. Congratulations! Natagalan mo sana? Iba lang yung pagbuhat, ma'am. Alright, congratulations! Kinuha ng air fryer, ma'am. Kasi mag-milagro. Alright, so next item! Oh, wala na. Tak-tak ang tawag na. Gamay na lang nabilin. Item number! Item number 22! Item number 22! AM! Kasi nakahulog sa AM! AM! Ano ito? Excited pa kayo sa AM! AM! Smile now! Pump up later! Ma'am, dali mo paspas mo kayo. Lagi kayo ni AM, ma'am. Dalawa. AM, lagi na AM ni. Wala na AM? Maipo. Atong debutan to. Kung ano na itong debutan to? Debutan? Okay ka lang there? AM! Wala na? Going once? Twice? 60 kg ba ano? Ma'am, masipin mo naman tawag-tawag, ma'am. outfit. Ano, try yung try. With the one. Diba? Okay na lang, okay. Diba? Galing, mamuka, AM na napalukan. Pang ping-pong. Congratulations. Plastic, ikaw na fly up. Seven. Ayun, isa naman na. Alright, so next item. Wala yung napili mga kung ano. Mga rice cooker. Alright, so item number. Item number 6 coming soon. Alaijo coming soon. Coming soon. Coming soon. But wow. Ang labot ng Tagalireo. Diba? Ano ba ito? Ang nagdadala ng brilyante ng... Alright! Kasi ganito ilang item? Coming soon! Bakit? Sabi yung tanawin mo, kung saan lang coming soon? Meron ka lumot mo, Swalde. Kaya saan lang coming soon, Swalde? Coming soon, not very soon, because coming now. Congratulations, you are to receive. Coming soon is equivalent to movie ticket. Maghilo na pagkenta. Ay, naku, nakita mo, ito yung ibatik mo. Where's Quantin? Quantin na lang, 240 na bayad siyan. Magtapal pa. Mga picture sa lagi naman, may nagawa na itong lawat. Diba? 240. Magtapal, pag 40, wala pa ni pang-popcorn, ma'am. 400? Sige. Hindi mo na ma-convert into popcorn. Okay na ito, ma'am? Ano na ito? O talaga ito, masipag-pop-pop, uy. Masipag po, hindi ko pa naman okay na tagan. Alright, so this one, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the presentation from group number 6. Number 6, asan yung number 6? Kaya siya mong itikit ha, good for 2, magtapal na magtag-40-40. Hindi pwede ma-convert na kung popcorn ng salit. Alright, so asan yung tayo group number 6? Wala na? Number 6? Kaya alas 10 na, mag-extend na tama talaga sa alas 12 ani, manilado na yung metro center. Group number 6?
Practice na na.
Asan na talaga group number 6? Please, group number 7, kung kami manapag ipagsak din ito din para maandam na yung present ninyo. Manilapin na ang at mo. Magsilag-anak ha. Lapit na pa, magsiturong-turong sa pelikor. Alright, so after this will be the presentation of group number 7. We will still be giving away our raffle items and of course our third prize, major prize, air fryer, second prize, Automan Essential Drawer in our grand prize for today's Christmas party and General Assembly. A brand new na? Or triple pan? Brand new foldable refrigerator. Okay na ma'am? Refrigerator with dryer na. Wala pa dapat? Alright, so let's give a round of applause to group number 6. Ito po stage mo na. Mag-iwawag eh sila o. Gigit yun. Taga-asa mo na sila grade 3 ilang-ilang? Puro 5 Chico. Alright, so how about giving them a round of applause? MCI choir and the propsmen. Pero sa pinasa na ito sa masipang pakpak ko yung road na kuya. Nakakatuto nila ang kanta, no? And of course, this time, let's welcome our last presenter coming from group number 7. Ayan. up our presenters of today's or tonight's Christmas party. And ladies and gentlemen, time check. It's 50 past 9 in the evening, and I guess it is right for us to hear a message, hospital updates and Christmas message. Let's give a round of applause to the CEO, Father Lucio Pedro T. Tayag, SVP. Let's give it a round of applause.
Thank you. May I request those who are having their party outside to please come over. Kindly go there, please. So though there are two parties here of the HNUMCI, one inside, the other is outside. So those who are having their parties also outside, please come. You may continue afterwards, okay? So my dear co-missionaries in the vineyard of the Lord called HNUMCI, a happy evening to all of you, to all of us. Why Christmas party and General Assembly? Are you not wondering why? The reason is simple. The first Christmas party is obvious, but the General Assembly is simply because it is required by the Department of Health that we must have at least one General Assembly a year. I am tasked to give a message, Christmas message tonight, and to give a state of the hospital address. Just a nutshell. What is Christmas? For me, it's about hope, peace, joy, and love. Hope that Jesus will find us worthy of His kingdom when He comes, so that we will experience true peace, joy, and love forever. Christmas is also a time for gift giving. But what best gift can we give on Christmas? For me, the best gift we can give is to continue being nice health workers to our patients and their significant others, and to one another. Now, who is a nice health worker? I believe you were there when I gave you a short talk on good manners and right conduct. Can anyone give me the qualities of a nice health worker? The prize is at stake. At the count of 3, the prize will be forfeited if you do not answer. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Thank you. No more chance. We gather tonight that we call Christmas party to cheer you up and to thank you for your tremendous contribution to humanity through healthcare that you render at HNUMCI. I'm proud of all of you for keeping our hospital a better place for the hospitalized to recuperate and invigorate. Going to my next assignment tonight, that is to give a state of the hospital. In a nutshell, first, personnel. You might be wondering how many are we? In terms of manpower, can anyone give a guess except those who are familiar with it? Again, a prize will be given at the count of 3. If you do not, then it's forfeited. 1, 2. How many? 300? 500. None of you give the more or less answer. We are 245 in all. We have new personnel with our management. We have Dr. Gemma Hai. May I request her to please be acknowledged. Dr. Gemma Hai has recently retired from the Holyhead University as the Dean of the College of Business and Accountancy. He will replace Father Lucas, who will work full-time as parish priest of Rizal. Brother Lucas, we thank you for your great contribution to HNU and CI. Next phase we have is Carlo Matutino. He's our new auditor, the CPA, replacing Maria Bel, known as Pink Barcelona, who is preparing her papers for Australia to join her husband. We thank you, dear Pink, for your tremendous contribution to HNU and CI. HNU and CI, under her care in the finance department as auditor, was able to accomplish 5 years financial statement. Thank you so much for that. Another member of our HNU MCI family is Father Eduardo, known as Ringo Rocha, our hospital chaplain. He took the place of Father Patricio de los Reyes. Father Ringo Rocha used to be our provincial superior, and he took over also as the second CEO of HNU MCI, if I recall it right, from 2011 till 2016. He was there since the hospital was conceived. So welcome, Father Rocha. Welcome, Mom Gemma. Welcome. We have 150 consultant doctors and still counting, because there are still applicants to our hospital. We have 55 doctors who hold clinics in our hospital and 95 who do not. The average daily census we have is 55. We used to have more or less 25 until May of this year. Around 80% of our patients cannot pay their hospital bills in full. Thank you to MAIFIP. MAIFIP is an acronym of Medical Assistance for Indigent and Financially Incapacitated Patients. Funds from congressmen, governor, and mayors, but deposited to the Department of Health. Thanks as well to DSWD, Philwell, Divine Word Foundation Incorporated. Do you know where this office is? No? Those who do not know, kindly raise your hands. You are ashamed. For those who do not know, do you know where ICU is? Also no? Those who do not know, kindly raise your hands. Do you know where emergency room is? Very good. Just on top. It's the office of the Divine Word Foundation. As well as to HMO, PAPA, PCSO, etc. for helping our indigent patients pay their hospital bills. We just have to wait. But they pay. I'm also happy too that a good number of our doctors are willing to be paid by MAIFIP. Blood and facilities, our hospital is designed for 166 bed capacity. However, DOH gave us only 70 beds. The 4th and 5th floors are vacant. I know you know that. We intend to convert the 2 floors into geriatric care center. CanCare. Have you ever heard of CanCare? The school that is training caregivers is interested to rent the 2 floors, and the negotiation is ongoing. The beauty of this is, once they get hospitalized, they just go down. We have seen the ongoing renovations in our hospital, and I don't have to mention them. The next areas to be renovated are the ICU, emergency room, the outpatient department, now temporarily used as cancer clinic. Once the cancer clinic will transfer to its designated place, we will continue with the renovation of OPD. And then, once the OPD will be renovated, we will transfer the ICU there, while the ICU will be renovated. Once the renovation of ICU is completed, we will transfer as well the emergency room there until the ER will be renovated. Our immediate goals in the immediate future, sustainability. That we are able to pay your salaries, doctors' professional fees, utilities, etc. on time. For our suppliers, we cannot pay them on time. I thank them too for their patience and understanding. We have money. Fortunately or unfortunately, the money we have is still with the government and to the patients who could not pay their hospital bills in full in the form of promissory notes. The government pays, however, it takes time. The next goal we have is to modernize or upgrade our equipment. We tend to improve our equipment. We start with our CT scan, one of our bread and butter. What we have is an old GE slice CT scan. We are now in the process of buying a GE refurbished 128 slice CT scan with brand new tube or engine, and it is worth around 12 million. I borrowed it from the SBD congregation where we belong. Have you ever heard of the SBD congregation? No. The SBD congregation is a congregation of priests and brothers. We are a religious congregation. How many of you here graduated from HNU? May I see the hands? Very few. Have you ever heard of the SBDs? So SBD stands for Societas Verbi Divini. It is Latin word when translated to English means Society of the Divine Word. Next equipment in line to be purchased will be an X-ray machine for our operating room. This has been a long dream. With God's grace, I believe we will be able to buy one. We need to prepare 7M for this. Cancer treatment. This space has been available for quite some time. However, we cannot occupy it as of now because we are still in the process of fulfilling the requirements imposed by POEs, who grants the approval of its license to operate. Where is the location of this cancer treatment area? Do you know where the multi-purpose building is? No? Do you know where the canteen is located?
Right.
Very good. That building is called multi-purpose building. Now I ask the question again. Do you know where the multi-purpose building is located? Very good. So we call it multi-purpose building because that building houses the following cancer treatment to be, wound care to be. Next to that is the laundry. Next to that is the canteen, and next to that is the engineering and the Suntec offices. So when you cross that road between the multi-purpose building and the ER, to the right, that is the location of the future cancer treatment clinic. And beside it is the wound care clinic to be. Wound care clinic, there is not yet in Bohol. We are still in the process of accumulating the funds needed to buy the necessary equipment. One of this equipment is what they call the equipment, and it costs 3.8 million. In time, we will not get the fund. God's grace, we will have it. Occupancy permit. The hospital has no occupancy permit because of its corridor issue. What is it in the corridor issue? We are lacking by 20 centimeters in order to meet the standard, minimum standard width of a hospital corridor according to the Bureau of Fire. However, there are solutions to it, and with my negotiation with the higher officials of the Bureau of Fire in the region, we have some requirements to complete or to apply, and we are now in that process. Hopefully, we will be able to get our occupancy permit by 2025. That's it enough. By the way, the administration wants to make your Christmas 2024 a cheerful one. So we painstakingly decided to give you this, a French ham plus an Italian spaghetti and a cash bonus of 1,000 pesos. Employees. Will make this party possible. I would like them to be recognized. Please stand up. From the point where you register to inside with a beautiful decoration with this dagat tayo mga expensive gifts, mga talents nila, mga efforts nila, ang mga trabaho nila. Salamat tayo. We give them all a warm round of applause. Thank you. And in the name of HNU NCI administration, I wish you all a cheerful Christmas and a blessed 2025. God bless you.
Alright, so how about giving another round of applause to the former Lucian SBT. As we everyone, as we all deserve another round of applause for ourselves and for Holy University Medical Center Corporation. ANC Corporation for always giving quality healthcare. So nag-asa ba si Magmakba? Yung alright, the time check is 10:11. Bring your sheet. And of course, we're going to be heading to another giveaway of items for a raffle draw. 6 items. Madam, how to share? Alright, so 6 items. Item number 1. Or hanap ang katulong ko ng projector. building. Steer me. Wala. Steer me. Wala na, wala mo daw na. O, isa. Ito, isa ba? O, mulaman ka. Wala, steer me. Wala na siya. O, ikaw naman. Love. Assorted biscuit. Steer me. Alright, so congratulations to Miss Q on the team. Whoa! Blue or red? Congratulations, you are the team of a coffee maker. Wala picture, masalabi ang mabunutan. Alright, so next item. Alright, so I guess we still have a lot of items. Thank you so much. Once again to the committee of this Christmas Board of General Assembly, congratulations. You will receive item number 16. Wala ka, ibalik na to. O, ha? Ano ba ito today? Another set of
Ano bang? Pupunta na ba?
Coffee bean.
Sa tawanan sa
Coffee bean. Ibalik na natin lagi. Wala ka ganun, wala mo? Kung tapunin na ako. Ano yung ganun eh? Coffee bean. You already know what you are to receive. You're another set of... Ay, go, ay. Sige, asik na lang kung wala pa nalibig. Congratulations, because you are to bring home Alright, so next item. Wala pinakalawa ka rin sulatan sa gawin ko? Don't you need to mention right? Alright, so item number. Item number 1. Talaga kabunuan sa Incredible Team. Wow! This is so cool. Incredible Team. Incredible Team. Wow! You are very lucky. First week mo ka malintay, ma'am. Incredible Team. Oh, pasok si ma'am. Dali, ma'am. Alright, so prepare yourselves. Because I'm pretty sure that you will be with all smiles. Bring these items home. Because incredible team is an incredible
Wala lagi ka bang joke tayo? Ka bang joke tayo?
You got good for two. Very incredible. Hindi sila magtawa. Ba't sila magtawa sa iyo ng tao na? Smile and a genuine smile. You're very lucky. You want to go? Yes, Titan! Oh, di ba? Anong medyo price? Wala pa! Titan number! Titan number 哦。 Hindi sila grateful. Alright, tutuloy pa niya ang ano na pangilang bagyo. Cat-Page. Innovation. Alright, so
Orang tu jaga dia tu lah.
Congratulations! Item number 8 sa nakapunod sa Feed My Hunter. Feed My Hunter! Sa music at lahat, nasukat. Congratulations, we got the Feed the Hunger, Feed My Hunger item. Wow! Ano na kayo? Wait, ano? Tawala tayo. Congratulations! The Feed the Hunger. You take home 5 feet! Kasi 5 feet. Next item! Ikaw lumalong sa kitaan.
Paris kayo, pwede yung sometimes. Pagkaw nagkakaroon na ito, baldi niyo.
Games! Alas mo games, ang kumutan. Buhay pa ka na? Buhay pa? Tawa pa. Alright, so we will be having games now. Second, nature prizes. Alright, so for our first game, is it the first game? Our first game is Cup Relay. Alright, so we are requesting 7 members in a group. So 7 from group 1 to 7. Sige na, kailan ko i-bring nyo. Sige na, 7 members para madali lang tayo. Kung siya mag-rounds pa ka ron. Alright, so 7 members in a group. Unfortunately, last prize in the chair. 200 pesos each. Ang kumaga ng 200 pesos each. With isang package. Isa yung Alright, so you fall in line. Wala sa tayo, gawang-gawang ko. No? So, hindi ka rin gawang ko sa'yo. Parunin mo yung isang. Alright, so room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nasulat na sila, nasulat na. Alright, so what group number? So what group? Ay, wala. Group 5? Kaya assorted na mo. Sige, group black, group red. Alright, so our first game is stop relay. Asa mo ang mga button? Pag-ibungay niyo ang simot. So when I exercise, sila simot niya. Alright, so atras, move backward. Sige, atras, 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 atras. So,
Ipos.
alright, so additional member or kuhaan sila? Additional or kuhaan sila? Kuhaan sila, so may tulong. Okay, isang ka-member na di ko na lang poste. Isa may hindi ma-poste. Isa na. Oh, sige natin poste. Huwag pa na nagsukuha. So, para exercise na natin pamabanga. Poste! Sige, poste. Sige, poste. Bawal mahagbo, bawal gamitan ang mahagbo at gamitan dibak sa sweldo. Wait, alright! Ha? Sige, ato ang poste, ato sa likod. Ang poste ato sa likod, ato na ato ba para makita at ato makakal. Huwag mo na magsulong lang. Excited ka anyone? Ha? Sige. Alright, so move backward, move backward. Sige na backward, ang iba na huli na lang. Okay, naguha na mga anak ito. Alright, so for the mechanics, everyone move backward. Atasin sa atasin. O, atasin, atasin, atasin. Simbulan. Ihatag ninyo yung paso ang inuan. Imanda. So, mechanics, ang paso hindi na sa likod paikot sa atubangan. Ang atubangan, udagan din. Ikaw na ipasa para madaling taguman. Isapin ninyo. Asal sa mga pagsabihin mo, sige, kapunaan mo siya. O kaunong po na mo, ma'am. Sige, ang cup, given siya sa likod, ipasa, payon sa tubangan, and the first person, isabik din. O yung kanta of Joy to the World. Kansa na ma'am? Okay na? Hindi na ma'am. Overtime na lang malamit ko sa kita. Okay, pasa lang.
Tama dahil program na Music?
O, nakuha.
Oh yeah, tingin ko sa...
Gikan siya sa last. O, ito si gikan sa last. Ipasa na ko sa sunod. Ipasa na ko. Ipasa ni... Ani, o maabot ani. Siya rin pupasa ito. Mukha tao, Joy! Yan na. O, nakuha na? Ready! On your pose! On your pose! On your pose! Ang paso, kita na sa... Pato sa likod. Ready! Set! Papoy! Ano sa paso? Papoy ko po! Ready! Isa! Bawal kumitan! Ready! Set! Balik ka yan! Namas mo yung way. Ready, set, go! O, natanap. Sige na. So, right at 200, pinatu sa inyo na 1-4. Ayos na. Ihawi Juday. Sige na, another 7 numbers. Isa rin isunod. Consolation prize. Consolation prize. Consolation prize. Sige, other groups. Ha? Sige na, balik na ito. Kaya tagulang din eh. Isang matulong sila sa mag-post eh. Kasi cheese rin ito eh. Wow. Di ba na malaganan ka ako?
Kaya Ayaw ka. Huwag ka lang tinatinan.
Masa? Sige, sige po, time!
Kapit ka ba yan? Balik.
Alright, so I guess we have 1, 2, 3. Alright, so kompleto na. 1, group 1, group 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 na. Sila naman sa group 4 sa diba? 5 na. Oh, wag ka na pinag-ubat eh. Kung ano, katunggo na daw. Alright, so ready na? So for the mechanics, asa na tutulog sila ko isa napasan? Pag ka na yung luma, ating pinipin, siya pinakaminit. Onya, after niyo kompleto, nakatulungan mo ka ako ng cheese ring na rin sa buhat para mo ka o. Paghanay. Palipay ko na mayroon may pagkaon ng grupo. Alright, so paghanay sa last, dapat ang pinakalas ang naghan. Kumata tayo kalawin mo. Kaya naka-transfer dyan sa pinakalas. Mas tingin sa extra. So silang tanan ko kuma. Ay, within 2 minutes, magbungan. Pwede magbungan o? Palagkanin ka. Dapat ikaw na itong pumila ka ngani ang nasa inyong straw. Like as a group, for example, siya pwedeng tuloy ha, pwedeng ko ha. Basta kayo within minutes, kung minsan ang group ang pinakadaghan o nasulod na cheese rings, so automatic mo ilo. Alright, so ready? Bawal hawitan. No! Wala tanan. Wala sure. Alright, so ready? Asa may naman ni Jai? Huwag ka ni. Alright, so timer! Asa mo na timer? Timer! Palipanin na! Ano na nagna? Ano mo doon? Ready? Timer! Starts now! Oh. Alam mo, hindi sila mag-tiktok. Bawal kulitan. Bawal. Ha? Bawal. Bawal na nagawa pag elementary. Para mo naon, sa unang tanan. Isa na ako, ma'am. Nakalimut kasi ko, di ba? Alright, so first group we have 20, 15, 36, 36.1, 36. Yeah, the people big one. 33, so we have a tie. Congratulations! Let's give it up. Wala na? Wow, winners! Congratulations to our cheese ring masters. Alright, so I guess next time we're heading back to our raffle draw. Alright, so let's head back to our giveaway of items.